Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to learn one of the most important skills in English, how to express your opinion. Whether you're talking to friends, speaking in a meeting, studying in school, or chatting online, people often ask what you think. Being able to share your opinion clearly and politely will help you become a more confident English speaker. Don't worry if you're a beginner. In this lesson, we'll learn easy and natural expressions that native speakers use every day. We'll also look at examples so you know exactly when and how to use each phrase. What is an opinion? An opinion is what you think, believe, or feel about something. It is different from a fact. For example, fact: the earth goes around the sun. Opinion: I think summer is the best season. Facts can be proven. Opinions are personal. Let's learn the most common expressions. 1. I think. This is the easiest and most common way to express an opinion. Examples: I think English is fun. I think this movie is amazing. I think we should leave now. I think learning every day is important. I think this restaurant serves delicious food. 2. I believe. I believe sounds a little stronger and more formal than I think. Examples: I believe honesty is the best policy. I believe everyone should learn English. I believe hard work brings success. I believe this idea will work. I believe education changes lives. 3. In my opinion. This phrase is perfect for conversations, presentations, and writing. Examples: in my opinion, reading books improves your vocabulary. In my opinion, teamwork is very important. In my opinion, this phone is worth buying. In my opinion, traveling teaches valuable lessons. 4. I feel that. Use this phrase when talking about your feelings or personal thoughts. Examples: I feel that everyone deserves respect. I feel that today's lesson was useful. I feel that practice makes a big difference. I feel that we need more time. 5. From my point of view. This expression sounds more advanced and is often used in discussions. Examples: from my point of view, online learning is convenient. From my point of view, exercise is essential for good health. From my point of view, teamwork leads to better results. Giving reasons. A good opinion usually includes a reason. Instead of saying, I think English is important, say, I think English is important because it helps me communicate with people from different countries. More examples: I believe reading is useful because it improves vocabulary. In my opinion, walking every day is healthy because it keeps us active. I think cooking at home is better because it's healthier and cheaper. Agreeing politely. Sometimes someone shares an opinion, and you agree. Useful expressions: I agree. I completely agree. You're right. That's true. I think so too. Exactly. Absolutely. Example conversation: Ali, I think practicing every day is the best way to improve English. Sarah, I completely agree. Practice really helps. Another example: teacher, I believe reading aloud improves pronunciation. Student, that's true. It also helps me speak more confidently. Disagreeing politely. You don't always have to agree, but it's important to be polite. Use these expressions: I don't think so. I'm not sure about that. I see your point, but I have a different opinion. I respectfully disagree. I understand what you mean, but. Example: A. I think homework should be banned. B. I understand what you mean, but I think homework helps students practice. Another example: A. I think winter is the best season. B. I have a different opinion. I prefer summer because I enjoy outdoor activities. Everyday situations. Let's see how people express opinions in real life. At school. Teacher, which subject do you like most? Student, I think English is my favorite subject because I enjoy learning new words. At a restaurant. Friend, which dish should we order? You, in my opinion, we should try the grilled chicken. It's delicious. Watching a movie. Friend, did you like the movie? You, I think it was interesting, but the ending could have been better. Shopping. Friend, should I buy this jacket? You, I think it looks great on you. Talking about hobbies. Friend, what's your favorite hobby? You, I believe reading is one of the best hobbies because it helps me learn new things. Tips for expressing your opinion. Speak clearly and confidently. Listen carefully before responding. Respect other people's opinions. Give a simple reason whenever possible. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every conversation helps you improve. Mini practice. Complete these sentences with your own ideas. I think, blank. I believe, blank. In my opinion, blank. I feel that, blank. From my point of view, blank. Try saying your answers aloud. Speaking out loud is one of the fastest ways to improve your fluency and confidence. Final thoughts. Expressing your opinion is an essential communication skill. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to join conversations, make friends, and share your ideas in English. Remember these 5 key expressions. I think, I believe, in my opinion, I feel that, from my point of view. Start using them today in your daily conversations. Even 1 or 2 sentences every day will help you become a more natural and confident English speaker. Thank you for learning with us.